Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about AVL trees, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on one more tree, that is B tree. So in this session, what is the definition of B tree and what are the properties of B trees? Then we are discussing operations on B trees. So generally, how to construct a B trees? That is nothing but insertion operation, as well as how to delete a key values from the B trees. Right, so those are the operations: insertion operation and deletion operation. Right, let us discuss one by one concept. So what is the first one? Definition. So definition of a B tree: it is a balanced M-way, it is a balanced M-way tree where M is equal to order. M is equal to order. So this is also satisfies the property of binary search tree. So it is also satisfies the property of binary search tree. What is that property? So left children's are always less values when compared to root. Right childs are always greater than when compared to root node. So that property is also satisfied by the B tree. Right? So simply B tree is a balanced M-way tree where M is equal to order. It satisfies the property of binary search tree, but it contains more than two children. Remember that one, right? So it contains more than two children, but it satisfies the property of binary search tree. What is that property? Left children is always less when compared to root. Right children are always greater than root. Right, that property is satisfied by the B trees. Right, so we are discussing about properties for B trees. Properties for B trees. First property is each node contains more than one key value. More than one key value. Second property is each node contains more than two children's. Third property is each node maintains sorted data. Fourth property is all leaf nodes are presented at same level. Then fifth property is each node contains m children and m minus 1 keys. Right? So coming to sixth property, insertions are done at leaf nodes only. So this is also one of the property. So each node contains m children and m minus 1 keys. Insertions are done at leaf nodes only, right? So it also satisfies one more property of binary search tree. That is, it satisfies the property of binary search tree, BST. So what is the property? Right child is always greater than root, as well as left child is always less than root. So this property is also satisfied by the B trees, right? So let us discuss one by one property. So what is the definition? It is a balanced M-way tree where M is nothing but order, right? So it satisfies the property of binary search tree also. Each node maintains more than one key value. So in previous trees, for suppose I am taking one binary search tree, 50, 30, 60, 10, 40, 55, 65. So this is our binary search tree. So here in this tree, each and every node contains only one value. So this value is nothing but key values. So in binary search trees, in AVL trees, in binary trees, fine. So each and every node maintains only one key value. So coming to B trees, each node contains more than one key value. So it maintains more than one key value, like this. For suppose 20, 30. So here 5, 10, 40, 50. So each node maintains more than one key value. Like so here we have to write 35. So each and every node maintains more than one key value also, right? So this is the first property for B tree. So each node contains more than one key value. Then what is the second property? Each node contains more than two children. So for binary trees, binary search trees, as well as AVL trees, it contains at most two children, which means it contains 0 children or 1 children or 2 children. So that is the property for binary tree, binary search tree, as well as AVL tree, right? So heap tree also, right? So here coming to B trees, each and every node contains more than two children. So it contains more than two children, right? So this is the second property, right? So coming to third property, each node maintains the sorted data. For suppose in B trees, each and every node maintains more than one key value. So those key values are sorted position in a node. So here you have to write key values for this node 20, 30, 40, like this, not like this, 30, 10, 20. So this is not sorted data. In B trees, compulsory each and every node maintains the sorted data. So simply maintains the sorted key values, right? So that is the third property, right? As well as all leaf nodes are presented at same level, right? So for previous trees, full binary tree, so binary trees, all leaf nodes are presented at same level or different levels, right? So coming to B trees, compulsory all leaf nodes are presented at same level. That is also one of the property, right? So coming to next property, each node contains m children and m minus 1 keys, right? For suppose here it is a m-way binary tree. For suppose m is nothing but order. So here I am taking m is equal to 3. So third order B tree, m is equal to 3. So here each node contains m children. So children's number of children's for each and every node is 3. Maximum children. So maximum children's are 3. Each contains m minus 1 keys. Maximum keys. So here I am writing which contains m maximum children, maximum m minus 1 keys, maximum m children, maximum m maximum children's m minus 1 maximum keys, right? So here I am taking 3. So order of B tree is 3. So maximum children's for each and every node is 3. Keys are m minus 1 keys. That is, so maximum keys are 3 minus 1, which is equivalent to 2 keys. So each and every node contains maximum 2 keys. Maximum 2 keys, right? So here, for suppose I am taking 5, m is equal to 5. So each and every node contains maximum 5 children's, 4 keys, maximum 4 keys, right? So what about minimum values? Right, let us discuss. What is the sixth property? Insertions are done at leaf nodes only. So insertion operation is done at only root nodes, right? Then what is the seventh point? It satisfies the property of binary search tree. Binary search tree. So what is the property? Right child is always greater than root, left child is always less than root, right? So this property is also satisfied by the B trees, right? So coming to minimum nodes, minimum keys, right? So here I am writing the minimum nodes, minimum keys. So minimum children, minimum keys. So here I am writing root in internal nodes. Internal nodes are nothing but non-leaf nodes. Terminal nodes are nothing but leaf nodes. Internal nodes, terminal nodes. So terminal nodes are leaf nodes, a node which does not contain any children. A node which contains children, those nodes are called as internal nodes, terminal nodes. So maximum children is 2 for root. Sorry, minimum children is 2. Minimum keys are 1. M by 2, m by 2 minus 1, 0, m by 2 minus 1. So these are the minimum values. So for B tree, maximum children are m children's, maximum keys are m minus 1 keys. Coming to minimum children for root is 2, minimum keys for root is 1. Internal nodes, a node which contains children's, those nodes are called as internal nodes. Minimum children's are m by 2 children's. M is nothing but order. Minimum keys are m by 2 minus 1 keys. For terminal nodes, always a node which does not contain any children. So obviously terminal nodes children are 0. Keys are m by 2 minus 1. Right? So here you have to take seal value of m by 2. So floor value, seal value. Floor of m by 2 means which takes upper boundary value. Lower boundary value. Seal of m by 2 means it takes higher boundary value. Right? So let us take one example. I am taking, so it is a balanced m-way tree. So here I am taking m is equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this one? So this is fifth order B tree, right? So for suppose for this I want to calculate the minimum children, minimum keys, maximum children, maximum keys, right? So first of all, maximum children. So maximum children are m children, m children. So m is nothing but 5. Maximum keys for each and every node, m minus 1, which is equivalent to 5 minus 1, 4. So maximum keys for each and every node is 4. Fine. Then we are calculating minimum children's. So minimum children's formula is m by 2. So leaf nodes are obviously 0 children. There is no need to calculate that one, right? So minimum children for internal nodes m by 2. So that is 5 by 2, which is equivalent to 2.59. So here I am taking seal value, not floor value. So floor value returns lower boundary 2.5, higher boundary is 3. So minimum children are 3 for fifth order B tree. Then minimum keys for internal nodes, terminal nodes, same formula, right? So minimum keys m by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2, which is equivalent to seal of 2.5, 3 minus 1, which is equivalent to 2. So minimum keys for each and every node is 2. Root node is exemption. So 2, minimum children are 2, minimum keys are 1. Right? So this is about fifth order B tree, maximum children's, maximum keys, minimum children's, minimum keys. So what is the formula for maximum children? M, maximum keys m minus 1, minimum children seal of m by 2, minimum keys seal of m by 2 minus 1. Right? So this is about what is B tree and properties of B trees, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.